How iconic. The odyssey of city life in Sydney. The enduring city lifestyle. The swoosh of the train arriving at the station. The warm air. The warm water. The warm concrete. The ambience. Tenacity. Tonal in nature. Tone deaf in the metropolis. It would be a complaint, except it makes you appreciate a different type of ambience. Getting spat out of the 15-ton wallower and onto a quiet street as it gives its final groan moving around. It's the best part of a busy day. You've just got a few hundred metres where all sounds feel gentle in comparison. The periodic chorus of cacophony and the short verses of stillness still can't exist without the incessant song of life in the city.